Hey everybody, so I just got back from an event that was local in Orlando. I am now getting ready to drive to Tampa to go to the FABU Natural Hair Expo. I'm really excited for this event. I went last year and it was amazing. I can't wait to go this year and see all the vendors that are there and then have a good time. Here at the Expo. Now to find some parking. Okay, not bad. I guess self-park. I'm trying to park as close as I can. Okay, so I'm finally here. I found a parking spot. The drive wasn't too bad. It was just tedious because everyone and their mama wanted to drive 85 miles an hour, and I'm not about to kill myself on this highway, y'all. So I made it safe in one piece, and I'm about to go in. All right, y'all. So this is the entrance. I guess people are just checking it out. And look at this. She's working it. They even have a food truck, and then people are painting. I missed that, but I did it last year. Look at this. This is really nice.
You are. Give it up for originators, innovators. I'm boss it. I'm the first girl to be on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right. I work on this, y'all. That's right. I'm the one who's tattooed on the song. I'm boss it. I'm the one y'all love to hate. I'm the channel. So let's start off by introducing them so you guys know who you see up here. So first, of course, we have the CEO and founder of Alakane Natural. All right, next we have the CEO and founder of Kinkistry, and that is Angela.
They're natural. Being happy to not conform to what society wanted us to be. But for me, the product was made out of a very selfish reason, for myself. It was, I wanted to get my hair curly more often. I wore it straight. And I had to use about 6, 7, 8 different products, because when you go into a beauty supply store, you are ushered down the aisle based on your skin color, not your texture. So I had to mix and match.
We're using more content. So it's not that we're trying to rip you off, we're trying to get more. And then just like they said, a P&G or a Unilever, they have 10,000 trillion brands, we have one. And for us to have shelf space is amazing, because we're competing with multi-million, billion-dollar companies, and we're small guys. So it's real, you know, we only charge what we charge because that's what it really costs to make the product. And I've seen a lot of products in my day.
I just want to piggyback on that, which is really, really important for you, the consumer. And it's what Janelle said. When you're going into the store, and this is a great forum for us to talk to you, because I've heard it before. Your product is so expensive. It's so expensive. Expensive in comparison to what? To what? Because quality.
It's over. Oh my gosh, guys. There were so many vendors, so many people here, literally carrying like 5 to 10 pounds of stuff. I'm just gonna restock my entire shelves and just junk a bunch of other stuff and just use all these awesome products. I got Honey Baby Naturals here, got Mixed Chicks, and like so much more. So I am on my way home now. I'm driving, that's why I'm not looking, because I don't want to crash and die. This is really dangerous. Don't try this at home. I have like an hour-long drive back home. This event was amazing. I met Rochelle, the CEO and founder of Alakane Naturals, and let me tell you, she is the sweetest and nicest person I've ever met. Super sweet. She talks to you like you're one of her homegirls, and she was just as genuine and as honest as she could be. And that's what what makes brands like hers, as well as other natural brands in the back, Honey Baby Naturals, Botanica, Mixed Chicks, Oyen, like all these brands, it makes them so much more valuable to me because these women are out here showing their faces, interacting with their customers, and just being real. Like, these women are total like bosses, and they are working it. And that's so inspiring to me because I one day hope to be like them. No, I'm not saying that I'm, you know, gonna make my own hair products, but myself as a brand and whatever I choose to do makes it even better because I have people like them who are mentors to me from a distance, of course, that are just so powerful and just so helpful. It's like the bulk of the products that I got from the event. I don't even know where to start. Let's start with Honey Baby Naturals. I'll show you a few that are in here. I'm excited to try this. I've never had a chance to try any of their body products. This is a bath and body oil. It looks like liquid gold. I mean, wow. And then I got another one of my absolute favorite gels from her. The Hold It Honey gel is amazing. And then she also has the new one. It's like really Hold It Honey. And then new to me is Botanica. She has created this brand with so much hard work, and her products are like amazing. I'm so excited to try this gel because I love a good gel. And next is the bag that came with the event. Nothing was in it really. I guess it's just for you to shop with, so that's what I used it for. And then in the VIP lounge, they were giving away samples. It was Mixed Chicks. They have a morning after redefining foam, and also Eden Body Works, the scalp massaging serum, scalp cleanser. I like this travel size because when I go places, I like to try new things, and these being travel size is really good to take in my suitcase. And Palmer's shampoo and conditioner of their olive oil formula collection. And then next I have the Nefertiti's Secret, a hydration conditioner, their brand new growth curl definer. Really excited to try that. And then also their moringa oil and tea tree oil. If you guys know me, you know that blue is my color. My second favorite color is purple. This is my girl right here. She's got these awesome products. I'm so thankful to get the chance to try these out. Define Me Please hair pudding. That's so cute. And she's also got a really nice growth oil. And then she has a hydrating mango hair mist. Last but not least is the Mixed Chicks bag. I have their styling gel. I'm so excited to try this. And a couple of products from their newest collection, the Hair for Days. This is a volumizer. Also, to follow that, there's a cute hair perfume. Love that. Also, a dry shampoo. I've never used a dry shampoo before. I've never seen one in the natural hair community. If you have seen one, I'm just probably behind, but this is really cool. And I also had a chance to try out their no tangle hair ties. This is really awesome. And then I got a Mixed Chicks, let me open this, Mixed Chicks rock shirt, which we do, and I'm mixed and I love it. And then last but not least, stocked up on the leave-in conditioner. This stuff works so well. I even sometimes style my hair only with this and leave it at that. And my hair is so soft and bouncy with this just in it. Yeah, this is everything that I got from the FABU Natural Hair Expo. And I'm so thankful and so excited to try all of these amazing brands. And I mean, gosh, like this, sorry, I need more light. This expo was just wonderful. So totally worth it. I drove like an hour and 45 minutes to get here. It's not a terrible drive. I would do it again in a heartbeat. I just had so much fun. Just seeing all the people I know and even meeting new people and just random people that are walking by like, oh my God, I love your hair. You know, like just mingling, and everyone being in a good mood really makes it worth it, because we're all here for the same thing. We want to learn about our hair. We want to know what's best for our hair, and these brands are here for us. And that's why I respect these brands. Again, I'll say this for the 5th time. I respect them so much more because these women are out here telling us about their brand, like going to these events, spending long hours, like talking to people. And I know firsthand, like being at an event is tiring. You're talking all day long, you lose your voice, you're tired, you're hungry. You just stand on your feet all day, and that takes a lot. And to have to do that more than once a year is rough. But yeah, guys, this was my little vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna try to do more of these. If you're watching this for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna try to do more vlogs. This has been like really fun. It's my first one, so don't judge. This has been so much fun, and I hope that you guys enjoyed it and have a great day.